Hey everybody, check this little guy out. This is Anna's zombie frog Jordan. We are near the terrace, as you can see. Ooh, where's the sign? Oh, this way. Okay. Alright, so we're here. And this little booger, he was flexing right now. Look at him. I don't know what he's eating. He's eating something. Oh no, he's straightening his, he's cleaning his beak. Look at him. Oh. Hold on, I'm gonna pull up. I seen that one chick. Hold on guys, alright?
You need me to do it?
Yeah.
Let me get up closer.
Look at it, he's got a white tail.
Where is it?
Right there. There he is. There we go. Look at him. Alright, you guys. I just want you to see the little booger.
Hey!
I'm videoing it. Look up some more. There we go. Where's his partner in crime? Alright, gotta go. Alright, you guys, look at him. Does he have something in his mouth?
Mm-hmm.
No way. I can't see what it is.
It's like a stick.
Cool. I'm gonna turn it right so we can. You see?
I don't think so anymore.
Okay. All right, you guys.